Miss Bea Jugando Aprendo welcomes to all of you, children and adults, to enjoy today's story. Let's begin.
Look at that. But what do I see? One bear paws. Two bear paws. Three bear paws. One bear. Two bears. Three bears. What do I need little paws for? Let's run!
And that's our story for today. See you next time with Miss Bea on this channel. Bye bye. Bye.